Creating a website to sell from. Now you have a product and the link. It's time to set about selling it. To do this, you're going to need a website and a sales page. Thankfully, it's easier than ever to build both these things. To build a website, by far the best strategy is to use the extremely powerful and popular tool WordPress. WordPress is a CMS, meaning a content management system. It's also essentially a template that allows you to create a website with minimal code and then to import ready-made themes and plugins to extend its capabilities and customize its look. WordPress is used by a quarter of all websites on the net, and it powers some of the very biggest brands out there. This is important because it means you know that the tool is capable of creating a highly successful website. Google knows and likes WordPress, and there's a huge amount of support out there if you need help changing settings or fixing the look. What's more is that WordPress is completely free and completely open source. It's different from a website builder in this sense, because it isn't going to tie you to a lengthy contract that forces you to keep paying monthly, nor will you be forced to display ads. Moreover, there is no limit to what you can build with WordPress, as you always have the option of editing the code itself or hiring someone to do it for you. The best part of all this is that WordPress is extremely quick and easy to use. You'll find instructions on how to set it up and make the basic changes you need all over the net, especially on YouTube. Finding hosting. Before you do that, though, you'll also need a hosting account. A hosting account means that you are paying a company to store your files on their server, which is going to in turn remain connected to the web. What that then means is that when someone types your URL into their browser, your website will come up. There are lots of factors to consider when choosing hosting: price, amount of storage, bandwidth, the amount of data that you can transfer, backup, features. Usually, you won't need to spend more than $8 to $20 per month, although a lot of hosting companies require you to pay the full amount up front. Some great options for hosting accounts include Bluehost, DreamHost, HostGator, SiteGround. Choose one of these, then create an account and choose a URL, your web address. The URL should be something unique, easy to remember, but also related to the niche that you plan on selling in. Once you've done this, you should be able to access a control panel. These will often now include a one-click install for WordPress. And once you've followed those steps, you'll be able to log into your account and start uploading content, changing the look and feel of your site. It's really that easy.